Did you know your Android phone has many useful settings that take several taps to reach? Instead of opening the settings app and searching every time, you can flash a shortcut to those settings directly on your home screen. So hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do that using a free application. I will also create a shortcut for the storage as an example. So let's get started. First open the Google Play Store and search for the application name as Shortcut Maker. Find the application and install it. After installation, open the application. When you open Shortcut Maker, you will see several categories on the main screen. Let's briefly see what each one does. The app section can create shortcut for install application. Go back, and the activities section can create shortcut to specific screen or features inside an application. Some of this may not be directly accessible from the application itself. The setting section can create shortcuts to Android settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery, privacy, and many more. Go back, and the file section can open a specific file or folder directly from your home screen. The app also lets you customize the shortcuts by changing its name and icon before adding it to your home screen. For this tutorial, we'll be using the setting section. Tap on the settings. You will see a long list of Android settings that can be turned into shortcuts. Now scroll down or use the search button to find storage. Tap on it. A preview of the shortcut will appear. Here you can change the shortcut name if you want. Here I will choose the default one. You can also change the icon. Now below you will see create shortcuts. Just tap on it. If your phone asks for permission, just allow it and click add to home screen. Let's go back to the home screen. Here is the new storage setting. So I'll tap on it. As you can see, it instantly opened the storage section on my Android smartphone. Instead of opening the setting and navigating through the menus, I can now directly access storage setting from my home screen with just one tap. Using Shortcut Maker, you can also create shortcuts for many other Android settings such as Bluetooth, mobile, hotspot, battery settings, storage, display, privacy, dashboard, application permission, VPN, developer options if available on your device. Keep in mind that the available settings may vary depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Some settings or activities may not work on every device. This is normal because different phone brands customize Android differently. If one shortcut does not work, simply try another one. And that's how you can create shortcuts to Android settings using Shortcut Maker. It's a simple way to save time and quickly access the setting you use most often. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, Windows tutorials, and beginners friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.